Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Tuesday, November 4. We'll start as usual with daily charts and we'll go from there. Good morning, Harry. Hey, Darren. Hey, Ivan. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Adela. Hey, Danny. And everyone. Too many of you to mention each one. Okay. I guess we have sound. Probably you can see my image. Well, if you want to help us out, you see the tweet on Discord. Go there and repost. That one will help us, more people to see us. We are not influencers. We are not anything else than stupid traders. At least I'm not anything else. But if you want to help us out, I reposted too much here. Where is the post? Where is the post? There you go. Copy link. So if you want, you can repost that one. Let's go on daily. What do I have 1 hour here? 1 day? Bitcoin on CME. Do you see something you like here? I see a week. I see a gap. I see another gap. I see even a bigger gap here. No? So we have some room to go down. Remember yesterday I said start praying that will accept back above 110 and will hold that. Well, seems like we didn't pray enough. And the market is... Can you guys hear me? I see Andrei saying something about the mic. It's all good? Okay, thank you. So we didn't pray enough. Seems like now we are at 105 and we can go lower than that. That means we should panic sell, or we should be the last one to short? No. In my humble opinion, we can think about long ideas, but we need to wait for structure. We need to wait for setups. I don't think, well, it's over, we'll accept above 100, below 100, and we'll go straight down without any bounces. Even if this was the top, 126, which we discussed at that point in time. Yeah, nobody was talking about that one. We saw that Reddit post. I checked the dates, and yeah, we had some confluences there. Now we should not think bearish here. After 25% lower, well, thinking, well, let me short at 100k. No, we have strong support here. We can, on lower time frame, we can push lower. You saw what CZ posted about the FUD. Well, like I said, CZ is not our friend. CZ is his friend and that's it. But he has a point here. Someone is manipulating the market. Someone is trying to get rid of all the retail before they want to get the retail back in. They want retail to sell and buy higher. It's that simple. At least that's my opinion. And not only mine, seems like CZ is thinking the same. Could go lower, yeah. But I'll play my setups. I'll play like I played so far. It's profitable for me. I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want, people. So if someone wants to sell here at 100k and say goodbye, it's up to him. Okay, now we have a gap here above 100k. It's possible to fill that gap today. Yeah, it's possible. You saw that AB equals CD we are pointing out yesterday. AB, CD pointing out below 100k. Is that possible? Yes. It's a valid AB equals CD. But step by step. Here, I'm not thinking short. Here, I'm thinking let's reclaim the Monday range. and maybe we can push back up here at least to bearish retest 110. That's me on daily. The other template similar here. You can see the week we retested that one. We are below 78.6. We are completing the AB equals CD. This smaller AB equals CD, not the big one, is pointing out to 100k. I don't know if you see it, but it's there. Assuming this is the AB, okay, we'll take and clone this one, but you can take it straight from here and post it here. There you go. So AB equals the aggressive one indeed is pointing out here at 100k. I don't know if the whales want to push it below 100k or they have enough strength to push it below 100k. It's not up to me. But I saw some movement. I saw some Ethereum being bought. Everyone is panicking. Ethereum is back at 3,500. Could push lower, of course, but the index is below the fear. It's how it's called, extreme fear, and people are selling because that's why it's called extreme fear. I'm trying to get greedy here, people. Yeah, I'm trying to get greedy. Yeah, this low could be this. A lot of stop losses here. Yeah, probably at 100, even more stop losses. A lot of liquidation will occur here. Let's see what will happen. That's why we are here, to make money. So big AB equals CD, dangerous. Small AB equals CD, playable and possible even today, tomorrow, or this week. The template with the top, well, now looks a lot better. When I said about this one here, I said, well, I'm not calling tops and bottoms, but look at it. Something is there. Now it's looking a bit different. I think we'll go straight down without a proper retest. Well, we had a retest here. It's enough? I don't think so. I think we can bounce from 100 once more, and we'll see what will happen then. I'm not calling the top, people, not even now. As long as we are holding above 100 and we are closing weekly and monthly above 100k, I'm more than okay with the market. Everyone wants up only. Well, it's not possible. Shitcoins, well, I'm in the same boat with everyone else, almost everyone. They are underwater and nothing I can do. What is my decision now about shitcoins? Is I'll respect my plan or not. That's my decision. And you know what is my answer. Okay. Ethereum on daily, weaker than Bitcoin. Long reload zone, it's a lot lower. Mountain Man here is waiting for us at 2,800. We can see a week here, or even accepting here and make a W. Yes. When we said that this is the area where we intend to buy Ethereum, and Ethereum was here, a lot of people say, never. Well, okay. That's the area I want to buy Ethereum. If it's not coming back down here, I'm not touching. As an investor, I'm not touching Ethereum. I bought below 2,000 here, and we got the same reaction when we said that we'll buy below 2,000. A lot of people said, well, you know what, Paul, it's going lower. You are stupid, you are buying too high. I said, okay, maybe I'm stupid. That's why I'm dollar cost averaging. I could be stupid. And when I sold at 4,000, sell half on a double, I wasn't looking stupid anymore. So if the market will do this AB equals CD here, 2,800 could be another buying opportunity. Once I'm risk-free, why I should need an invalidation? I don't need an invalidation after I got risk-free. Anyway, so that's Ethereum for the moment on lower time frame, people. Daily, even daily. This is a support area, 3,500. If we look left, 3,500 did a lot of damage. Be extra careful. 3,500, if you remember last time here, before we accepted above, I said 3,500 for Ethereum. It's a motherfucker. And we'll push up and down, stop everyone out, and then we'll decide. Now we are back at the same level. And guess what? We'll do the same. If you are a day trader, a scalper, okay, you know what to do. If you are not, no, it's not the best level to play. Okay, so that's Ethereum. That's Ethereum on daily. We can go on 4-hour chart a little bit because I have these templates here. And you can see Monday high, Monday low. SFU. Will SFU this one? We are waiting for this SFU from some time. And then we'll come back and accept back in the range, in the Monday range, and retest the Monday high. Probably this week we'll retest the Monday high. When? I don't know. It's 100% no. Probably. That means plus 50% chances to retest this one. And here people will be bullish. Yes. Just think about it. Here, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Similar, Monday high, Monday low, Monday range, reclaiming above will trigger along for me. We can SFU these levels before we'll trigger? Maybe. But I think reclaiming, going to the Monday middle of the range, and in the New York session, maybe we'll dump lower. Who knows? For the moment, I don't have a setup. The only thing I did, I was a bit greedy. I put a long in the morning at 3,500 with the stop loss at 3,400. A small position there. Let's see what will happen, people. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's go back on daily and let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin in the downtrend channel. We posted and we discussed this channel from some time. The market is still there. Dominance, accepting above 60% on daily. That means we can go higher to 62. As we are retesting the wicks, actually the tails on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some shitcoins on the downside, we are retesting the wick to the upside on Bitcoin dominance. Simple. Yes. What do we have here, people? You remember? A stupid trader told you, well, we have a gap, look at this, look at that. Well, now we have a, how this one is called? An EM. Yeah? If you want to be a Brian Beamish fan or smiling, the market smiling at you, well, this is a ugly smile. Ugly smile, but it's there. It's a daily EM. We close the gap on 4-hour chart. On daily, I don't think we did yet. No. Today we can close that. And we have a gap here and a gap here. We discussed this over and over again. You want to do something? Well, I want to buy. It's too high. What I could do? I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader. What I can do? Well, you can do something like this. There you go. So 61.8. It's lower after you close these two gaps. Wait here. If you're lucky, maybe you'll get a smaller W on 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Maybe. But I'm tired of saying, well, I told you so. Don't chase here. If people are don't get the message, nothing I can do. We discussed in the bottom. We discussed here. We discussed the range here when we had the chance. We said, yeah, the market could push higher. Now we have a daily M. Let's see how we'll close. Let's see what will happen. But people, I'll do it here. Everyone is calling bull market. Is no bull market in real terms. What you can do, you can go here. You can put here. Yeah, you can put this one against money supply. Okay, you hit enter, you zoom out on weekly, and you'll understand that we don't have any fucking bull market. I posted this chart on general, nobody understood why, or some people prefer to stay quiet. This is 2000. This is 2025. 25 fucking years of bear market, of just ranging. Yeah, and you can take it one by one. And we are not even here, people, because money supply is not recorded properly last couple of years. So we are lower than this level. So thinking about a real bull market, people, you don't understand what a real bull market can mean. I could do the same on gold, and I did it yesterday. Go on general chat and see what I posted. Where is gold in real terms, in the actual value, not in dollars, in actual value? It's scary, honestly. It's damn scary. I know Menace is happy now, but with his gold. But that's the truth. Gold is not. Gold is at the level from 80s, from before I was born, 40 fucking years ago. It is what it is. So next time when you call, well, this is the top, this is the bull market. Well, actually, we didn't even start it yet. We really need to pump if we want to do something. But if we go back here, well, we have to play with this one, with what we have. Okay, let's go back on daily. And you can do that with Bitcoin, people. You can do with Bitcoin the same. Against money supply, you'll understand some things. The problem here, if we accept back below this level, we can go in the long reload zone. If long reload zone doesn't hold here, then we have a problem. That could create shoulder, head, another shoulder later in December, and then we can have something else. Let's hope that is not the case. Okay, gold. Fighting for 1,000, nothing we can do here. I know a stupid trader that told you that it's over here, even if we push higher. Now, if we're lucky and we'll get here, you know what to do. I said it yesterday. I said it last week. Silver is getting in my area. You know, this 3-bar fractal, and I said, well, if we'll come back down, I'll hunt like a motherfucker here. Well, it's in the pump chaser zone. Now, I'm trying to get greedy here. I could get a long reload zone maybe. Pretty please. Pretty please. Can you come back down here? I don't know if you'll do. I have this YAM that gives me some hope here, because I see the 4-hour YAM. So I see some confluence at 61.8. Let's see what will happen, people. You know my plan on silver. It's not a financial advice. Do whatever you want. Total market cap. Well, we are fighting for trillion, but for the moment, we are losing the fight. Look left, people. When you think something is up, look left. What do we have here? We have support. We should not be bearish here. Let's think about it. Let's just think about it. Total market cap. We are talking about total market cap. We rejected here after a breach of 4 trillion. We rejected and we are going back in the big support, because it's a nice support here. Look at from December 2024. You didn't manage to sell here because, well, no, we'll go to the moon. And now you are becoming bearish here in the support. Could push lower. Okay, could push another to 3 trillion. We can do that, but it's not the moment to be bearish. Look around. Index, extreme fear. Everyone is bearish. When everyone is bearish, what do you think will happen? Could have another move to trap even more people to short side? Imagine how much money is now on crypto, on total, on Bitcoin especially, in Ethereum, on the upside. How many stop losses will trigger if the market will push higher? Can someone tell me how many 20 trillion it's already there? It's my guess. 20 trillion, it's already there to be liquidated. 20 billion, sorry. They will sweep that liquidity like no tomorrow when they'll have the opportunity. Just my 2 cents. And I don't think they need to go back to 126 on Bitcoin. Even lower, they will trigger a lot of stop losses. Total 3. Long reload zone. We lost the fight for the moment with 1 trillion. I need daily W's to think about altcoins. For the moment, nobody is thinking about altcoins. If someone left his bags until now he's giving up. Maybe in Crypto Traders Arena we still have some people holding and respecting the plan, but the public is out. No question about it. Public is out. We don't have public anymore in altcoins. Okay, I was ranting and blabbing away too much about this one. 20 minutes, too much. Okay, today Stefan will do the day trading with Stefan. So I prefer to stay on higher time frame, and I'll let Stefan go on 1 hour and lower and 5-minute chart and maybe scalping. Okay? So that's why I'm staying on ranting. That's why I'm staying on higher time frame. I know Stefan will do that job really well. Okay, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. My beautiful smile here. Stefan, if you want to say again that something is beautiful, say that this smile is fucking beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. How nice it is. I could put some eyes here just for you to see the smile even better. Just to make some fun. Yeah? So next time when you say about something that is beautiful, say about my let's clone this one. There you go. That's better. That's a beautiful smile. So what do we have here on 4-hour chart? What we can play here? Remember that I said in this dump, we said, well, let's wait for 1 hour, 4-hour bounce, and we'll play the long reload zone. We did that. Look at it. The market pushed back down here. We managed to play this one, and we rejected from just front running the 61.8, depending if you are on spot or if you are on index or you are on futures, you'll see it a bit different. And then again, if you remember, a trader, a stupid one, said SFU of this level, and we played the short. I still have part of that trade, people. I still have it. Why? I want to hedge my bags. I don't want to worry about my bags too much. Okay? Now, we dumped here. We bounced, but no real bounce. And we are aiming out and we are pushing down. Is the time now to be bearish on 4-hour chart? No. Is the time to hunt some SFUs here? Yes. If you put the Monday range, if you put the SFUs, like I said earlier, you can SFU this level, and then bounce back into the Monday range. It's an AB equals CD on lower time frame. Of course it is. It's a classic one. Just look at it. That could push us close to 100K. No W, no setup. Don't buy just falling knives. But an SFU could be played on lower time frame here at 13500. Another SFU here at 101,500. So we have some ideas to play. We don't want to play short here. I don't want to play short. It's up to you what you do with your own money. I'm not playing short. I have a long reload zone. I have some SFU levels. I'm playing long setups all day long. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll say it again. I'll just tell you what I do with my own money. Feel free to short. Feel free to dump. Feel free to do whatever you want. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Ethereum a little bit. Similar. Some levels here. This level waits for a test. This level waits for a test. But again, I'm not shorting Ethereum here. I'm not thinking short here. I'm thinking long. On higher time frame, 2800, it's a thing. Yes, it is. But on lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, no. Level by level on lower time frame. Level by level means I need to play this area. If this area will fail and will go lower, okay, we know on higher time frame, 2800, it's a thing. But like I said 5 minutes ago, 3500 is a beach and will fuck you up and down, up and down. Be careful how you play this level. Okay, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. Let's go on some shitcoins on 4-hour chart. Well, here you can play the shark if you want, but even shark is gone here. Okay. I know someone that was playing this one. If we'll come back down here, that's a good area to reload. No setup yet, no new setup. Look at this shitcoin. You can see the week from the dump from 10 October, almost 1 month ago. Yeah, okay. We are getting feels on that week low, tail low actually, because if you are respecting the names in a technical analysis, this is called a fucking tail, not a week. Bad habit from my part to call it weeks up and down. Okay, so we are getting some feels. We can get some SFUs here on 1 hour, taking the liquidity and then bouncing back. I think so. I'll watch for long ideas here. I'm not bearish here. Similar here, people. Not enough here. Similar here, look at it. So, I'm thinking short or I'm thinking long on altcoins. Of course, I'm thinking long. Similar here. Nothing to do here. This is a fucking range. Ugly. Meh. But if we'll come back down here, okay. Aster. Like I told you, CZ told us that he bought below $1. I told you yesterday, this one could go to 50 cents. You think CZ will care about it? No. Do you think I'll care about it? I'll buy more at 50 cents. Just be damn sure you're not exceeding the max risk management. Max 5%. For me, it's 4%. But at some point in time, sooner than later, people, the airdrops will be over, the fear will be over. At some point in time, you can see this one pumping back here. I do. Even if we'll dump all the way down here, 50 cents. Okay, I said 50 cents. Look at the short reload zone. If I'll buy here all the way down to 50 cents, and I'll have an average to, I don't know, let's say 75 cents. You think I'll be upset if I'll sell half on a double at 1.4? No, I'll get risk free. And from that point, I'm in a better position than CZ. Why? I'm risk free. Needs a plan, needs a lot of patience to get in that position, yes. Maybe weeks, maybe months. But that's my plan, to get risk free on Aster. And if Aster is the next BNB, okay, I have a risk-free position I could hold. Okay. People, to clarify with CZ, I know that CZ is not our friend. Not my friend, not your friend. But CZ proved the point over and over again. Yeah? That guy made some money. That guy proved some... succeed in life with some projects. So, who the fuck I should follow? An influencer on YouTube that is saying that Aster is shit at 85 cents, or CZ that says, well, I'm buying, I'm not a trader, I'm just a holder, I'll hold. I should sell my Aster here or I should buy more? Well, I tend to believe CZ. CZ is posting, but CZ also knows that 90% of the people don't have the patience to hold like him. And by the way, if he bought, he wants this project to succeed from now on. So, of course, I'm on the same side with CZ. It doesn't have to be my friend. I have friends that they don't know what to do with the money. I'll trust them with my money? No, they are my friends, but they are my enemies when it comes to listen to them with my money. I hope you got the idea. Enough rant about Aster. Avant, similar. Yeah. A bit stronger than the rest, but you can see it's getting in the week. 4-hour W could resolve something. You see here, we didn't have a proper W, we had a SFU here, but you understand my point. If we'll get the same structure, I'll play the same setup. Similar here, here. Dumping, no 4-hour W, no trade here. This one could go a lot lower. Bitcoin. This one is back at entry. People, I'm risk free on this one. It's up to you. Do whatever you want. This one. I'm waiting on this one for a proper 4-hour W, but a bit lower here. Why I'm waiting lower? I put the long reload zone to see it. Why I'm waiting lower? Well, I'll show you why. We have a good level here at 50 cents. And empty space here. This needs retest. This was just a sign of life. We just heartbeat here and we'll probably dump here. Here at 50 cents, knowing that we had $20, I'll be more than okay to buy some or to hunt aggressively long ideas. Okay? Here I'm not impressed. Let's just say it like that. I'm not impressed with what he did here. Next one. Similar and similar. Nice location on almost everything, people. But we don't have 4-hour Ws. Not even 1-hour Ws. The market is pushing lower. Testing the wick here, the tail. This one looks a bit stronger, a bit different. Look at it. It's trying to form some Ws. In this environment, I want to buy the W at the neckline, at the breakout. No, I want to see the breakout and I want to play the retest. Extra careful, lower risk, but I'll play the long if will be the case. Nice location on this one, but we need more than that. Look at that blue line waiting there. Nothing we can do here, it's just dumping. Now you understand people that they intend to become traders. Well, when you become a trader, you have to learn that the stop loss is your fucking best friend. If you don't have a stop loss, and if you cannot respect the stop loss, if you cannot respect your friend, you will destroy your account. So Capo 1, you will get in the practical part really soon. You are learning setups now. This is a perfect example why we get the fuck out and why we have a hard stop loss, not a soft stop loss. 4-hour chart, hard stop loss. Below 4-hour chart, hard stop loss. Even on daily, usually it's better to have a hard stop loss. Let's assume you risked 1% here. Well, if you had the stop loss, you lost 1%. Now you have 3% loss because you didn't put the stop loss. And nobody is telling you that we cannot go all the way down here. That will be almost 10%. And nobody is telling you we cannot go lower. So learn the value of your stop loss. Stop loss is your best friend. Okay? People are saying you should not marry coins. Well, marry stop loss. Tell stop loss you love him and marry him because he's the best. Well, he hit my stop loss. Well, that's good. Good that hit your stop loss because you stop bleeding now. You have the same portfolio, almost the same. Market is going 10 times lower. You don't care about it. That's a good example, and I could show you over and over again. Feeling the week. No W, no trade. No. 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 Similar, another example. 40% of my trades, at least 40% of my trades, are going belly up. Hard stop loss. Saved me some money here. Look at it. I should be happy that I had a stop loss here. And I respected that stop loss. I'm talking specifically with Capo 1 people because you are learning the process. You are learning to trade. And what is a stupid mistake? Removing the stop loss or moving the stop loss against you, it's part of that category. Stupid mistakes. You don't do it. Nothing here. Feeling that weak low. Let's look at it. At some point in time, here is not time to be bearish, people. Look at it. I don't know how to say it. Stable. If you like this one, well, it's time to buy a little bit more. I just did. Just a little bit more. Everything looks similar. This one. We claim below. You can see the alarm is still active. We'll reclaim at some point in time. Or we'll push a lot lower. I don't know. Okay. This one is at 25 cents. Well, I just posted 25 cents. You like it? Buy a little bit. You don't like it? Well, wait for 10 cents. Wait for 5. I don't know. I'm buying here. And I'm also hunting a setup if it's possible. Okay. Another good example. For people that say I'm the best trader. No, I'm just a stupid trader. Look at me. I took a stop loss. I lost money here. Don't follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. No. No. So I don't see setups yet on 4-hour chart, people. Look at me. I'm a stupid trader. I took this one. Was a fake out. Okay? So don't follow guys like me that they are taking stop losses. Follow guys that they are strong man. And they told you multiple times stop loss is for weak man. I'm a weak man from their perspective. I have stop losses. Don't follow me, follow them. Okay? What the fuck happened? Okay? Don't follow Paul J. Don't follow Stefan B. No. Just follow the guys that they are strong men and they are telling you that stop loss is for weak men. Well, put the volume bigger, Blue Gray, because I'm speaking as loud as possible. OBS is as loud as possible. It's not from my side, man. I don't know. Okay, that's the last one. What do we have here? I remember someone. I don't know. You know, a trader that said something about something. And someone said that it's not possible and it's not okay. I remember that. Let's remove the always stats. Huh? A, B, C, D. Bigger A, B, C, D. I saw Andrea posting about the bigger AB equals CD here, which is pointing out a lot higher. People, when you see something is strong, you avoid shorting it. You try to buy the dip. And we had buy the dip here, buy the dip here, on higher time frame, on lower time frame. I'm not telling you to chase. If you know how to trade and you are a trader, okay. But buying spot here, it's just stupid. This was something I want to show you. Somewhere, somehow, it's still a bull market. Some coins are still pumping. Okay, I was ranting too much. Stefan is barely waiting to start his live stream, probably in 10 or 20 minutes. Now, let's call it a live stream from my part. And close it. 10 minutes later, Stefan or post another link and you can join him. Ask him lower time frame stuff. day trading stuff if you want. We'll have the giveaway for insiders for the Discord people in the New York session. Okay, in the New York session. I don't know how to do it properly, but I'll think of a way to do it. Probably like I did last time. I need to pick 2 winners from the people that are following that account and they are already in Discord. Okay? That's why I'm not accepting new people in Discord until then. Let's just see what will happen. 2 winners of $100. Yesterday, someone posted a ugly message on Twitter. I got a bit mad, and I responded ugly. Sorry for that, for my behavior. I'm just a bit tired of ugly behavior, people. I'm just a bit tired. Okay? You saw the giveaway, the draw in yesterday live stream. I did it publicly with Grok. You cannot do it with Grok. You cannot do it better than that. And people are still complaining about it. Anyway, that's a different story. Protect your capital. Remember that this is not an area where you want to sell, where you want to short. This is an area where you wait for a proper setup. For something. Okay? Okay. Let's call it a live stream. See you in 10-15 minutes. Bye bye.